In today's video, I will be teaching you how to cook white rice using a rice cooker. Okay, so this rice cooker comes with the removable inner cooking pot, the steam tray, measuring cup, and also what they call a rice paddle. Okay, so let's just quickly go over what this pot can quickly do, okay? So this is the power on button, which of course turns it on and off. We have a display area here. We have white rice, brown rice, steam, slow cook, and delay timer. And when this little indicator is on, it lets you know that it is done and is keeping warm. Okay, so you will be using the inner pot to place your rice and water. And here you will see the measuring lines, which will tell you how much water you will be placing in the pot. So after determining how much rice you need to make, you then will add in the rice using the measuring cup. For this video, I put in 3 cups of rice. Okay, so here I'm rinsing my rice to remove the excess bran and starch. Now I do understand that I will lose some nutrients, but my rice will come out perfect. I then place the pot on a level surface to make sure that the water is to the line that I need it. Remember, I put in 3, so mine is to the 3. Okay, to finish off the rice, what I'm going to do is add in some salt. I usually take a finger and stir it around a little bit just to give it a little taste. And if I can taste the salt, then I know I have enough salt in the water. Okay, so what I do here, I place the inner pot into the rice cooker itself. I push the power button. I select what type of rice that I am making. And that is it.